This is how the stuff works. So this is the boat. You click on start when it starts. Then welcome to Sol. Okay, this is your wallet address. Okay, this wallet address, you now send Solana here. So once you sell Solana, okay, you start clicking, then try and ping it to your Telegram. So next thing is, this is your wallet address, you send Solana. So I was just testing, so send 7 Solana, copy the address I sent. So you check, then you look at, you start, use your wallet address again then. So I needed to buy a coin. I tested with Bonk. So I put the contract address. Once you put the contract address here, you come here, you see buy 1, buy 5, buy X, you refresh. See, if I refresh this boat, I'll see 5 minutes, price impact, wallet balance 1.5. So if you want to buy with smaller amount, you can click